Introducing the OnePlus 13s, a smart flagship that blends refined design, intelligent software, and cutting-edge performance in one sleek package. OnePlus continues to push the boundaries with this device, offering everything you expect from a premium smartphone, and then some. Let's begin with the display, one of the most important elements of any smartphone. The OnePlus 13s boasts a 6.32-inch LTPO AMOLED panel, perfectly sized for both comfort and immersion. Thanks to its 120 Hz refresh rate, every interaction, from scrolling through apps to playing high frame rate games, feels ultra-smooth and responsive. It also delivers peak brightness up to 1600 nits, ensuring clear visibility even under harsh sunlight, while LTPO technology allows for intelligent refresh rate adjustments, optimizing power usage without compromising on fluidity. Under the hood, the OnePlus 13s is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, a flagship chipset built on the latest 3nm architecture. This processor is engineered to deliver elite-level performance across multitasking, gaming, and AI-driven tasks. Whether you're editing 4K videos, switching between demanding apps, or enjoying console-quality gaming, the Snapdragon 8 Elite handles it all with remarkable efficiency and power. Photography lovers will be delighted by the dual-lens camera setup on the back. The main attraction is the 50MP primary sensor with optical image stabilization, delivering sharp, vibrant shots with exceptional detail and dynamic range. Complementing it is a 50MP telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, ideal for portraits and closer framing without losing quality. On the front, a 16MP selfie camera ensures crisp and flattering shots, perfect for social sharing, video calls, or vlogging. Moving on to the battery and charging, the OnePlus 13s packs a robust 5,850 mAh battery, promising long hours of use, from gaming marathons to all-day productivity. With 80W fast charging, the device can go from 0 to 50% in just 20 minutes, making battery anxiety a thing of the past. Whether you're on the move or in a rush, a quick top-up will keep you powered for hours. In terms of design and durability, the OnePlus 13 sports a slim and stylish 8.15mm profile that feels both premium and ergonomic in hand. It's also IP65 rated, meaning it's protected against dust and water spray, a nice touch for added peace of mind. A standout new feature this year is the Plus key, a dedicated shortcut button designed for AI-powered functions. Whether it's launching Google Assistant, setting routines, or triggering smart features, the Plus key adds convenience and customization like never before. On the software front, the OnePlus 13s comes preloaded with Android 15, led with the refined OxygenOS 15. This combination delivers a near-stock Android experience with useful enhancements. AI-powered features are integrated throughout the system, from predictive app launching to battery optimization, smart gallery sorting, and even personalized on-screen widgets. The OnePlus 13s isn't just a phone, it's a powerhouse built for users who want smart performance, practical innovation, and reliable everyday usability. With a dazzling display, next-gen processor, powerful cameras, and fast charging packed into a sleek, durable body, it checks every box for 2025's flagship needs. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or someone who just loves premium tech that performs, the OnePlus 13s is a phone worth watching and worth owning.